Welcome to the explainer on RT-PCR. The RT-PCR is the most commonly used diagnostic test for the COVID-19. RT-PCR is a genetic test as it works on the virus DNA. It determines if a person is currently infected with the COVID-19 virus. This does not work if a person has recovered. Infection with COVID-19 primarily causes respiratory illness. Some people infected with the virus never developed symptoms. It infects the upper and lower respiratory tract through eyes, nose, and mouth. The RT-PCR test starts with a simple swab taken from inside a person's throat and nose as a part of nasopharyngeal sampling. Sometimes blood can be collected. Swabs from the suspected cases are collected and kept in a virus transport medium or VTM in order to protect the delicate RNA matter. They are then transported and brought to the qualified laboratories for testing. SARS-CoV-2 is highly contagious. The only labs which have certified with biosafety level 3 BSL-3 and above are allowed to work with it and perform the test. This is the main reason why few labs around the world can perform the test for the coronavirus. COVID-19 have ribonucleic acid or RNA as their genetic material. Swabs from the patient yield only a tiny quantity of RNA which is not adequate for the testing process. To overcome this problem, the RNA single-stranded molecule is converted into a two-stranded DNA using an enzyme called reverse transcriptase. In molecular biology, DNA is converted into RNA and RNA is converted into protein. But in reverse transcription, keeping RNA as the starting material, RNA is converted into DNA. To test for the COVID-19, researchers select specific areas in the genome that do not mutate rapidly in the process of virus evolution. Sections of RNA are repeatedly copied and amplified in a process of PCR. The full genomic sequence of the virus was shared by the researchers in early January of 2020, which enabled many laboratories across the world to develop PCR assays. Inside the laboratories, the swab is mixed with a liquid in which the viral matter gets dispersed. The liquid is then subjected to centrifugation, a process that separates the viral matter from the liquid through rapid rotation. What remains is essentially pellets of virus cells as the liquid gets flushed out. These pellets are now processed to separate the RNA matter. The RNA is then converted to a two-stranded DNA by the process of reverse transcription. This DNA is called the complementary DNA or cDNA. The resulting DNA is amplified so the test can detect this DNA. Primers are essentially small pieces of DNA that are designed to bind to other specific DNA sequences. So primers used in this test are designed to bind the SARS-CoV-2 viral genome. The primer along with a fluorescent dye are put in a small reaction tube. It is then put into a PCR machine where the binding process takes place. A fluorescent signal is released only when there is binding to the viral DNA. This process takes place in about 40 cycles. In one cycle, the machine raises the temperature for the DNA to separate. After that, it cools down, allowing the primers to bind with the genome. Now coming to pool testing. Pooling is done when the samples are mixed together and tested in batches. It saves time and cost. 8 to 50 samples can be pooled for the test, but individual samples are also maintained to test later if necessary. If a pool test comes negative, a large group of people are eliminated because they are tested negative. If a pooled sample comes positive, the test is again performed on the individual samples which make up these pooled samples, and then the infected samples are narrowed down. Positive results are indicative of presence of SARS-CoV-2 RNA. Clinical correlation with patient's history and other diagnostic information is necessary to determine patient's infection status. The RNA extraction usually takes 2 to 3 hours. Subsequent PCR process takes 3 to 4 hours. Thus, the testing process takes 8 to 10 hours. Results typically arrive 1 or 2 days later because the transport of these samples to the lab takes more time.